What if rest wasn't something that you had to earn? What if the version of you that you've been waiting on just needed space to breathe? This is Renew, Connect, Restore, and I think it's the moment that you've been waiting for. It's a retreat for high-achieving women of color who are done carrying it all and are ready to carry themselves too. This retreat, it's not just a spa weekend, it's not a business boot camp, it's a declaration of rest, of purpose, of the woman that you are becoming. Curated by a therapist and coach who understands how much we hold and how rarely we get to feel held. This is where personal growth meets purpose-driven strategy in a space that really speaks your language. Because when you lead, when you serve, when you succeed, there's often no room to really ask, what do I want? Who am I now?